Your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chikage Windler.
Today's high did indeed bump up to 91 degrees. That's 3 degrees away from a record. And later on in the week, I'm forecasting overtly 3 of the next 7 days with records, but 2 additional days where we could be within 1 degree. So theoretically, 5 of the next 7 days, we'll be watching those records very closely. Right now outside, it's 90, lots of sunshine in place. Now this morning, a number of areas saw patchy, dense fog, including places like LaGrange and Giddings and even out into Bastrop and Caldwell counties. We could see that. Part 2 tonight into tomorrow morning. 91 at Mabry, 90 degrees out at the airport, not quite record worthy, but well above the average high of 80 degrees. Currently in Llano, you're at 90. It's 90 in Bastrop, 90 degrees in Luling. And these temperatures themselves are not horrible, but there's actually a little element of humidity. It's a little muggy out there, especially as you head closer toward Highway 77. So with the muggy air in place, with high pressure anchored to our east and winds coming in out of the south tonight, we can plan on a little bit more fog. Let me put the picture for you. Here we've got a front that's moving right through the Sooner State. It's going to nudge slightly farther to the south, and then that's it. It'll head back toward the north. Another front right out here is going to push toward us. It may drop close to the hill country on Saturday, and then it'll push back to the north. So we really don't see anything meaningful out of any of those. Another area of low pressure way out in the Pacific Ocean, which, you know, it's so far out there and it's over a week away. That might be our ticket to maybe finally some rain chances, but I've really started to backpedal on the strength of said front, meaning it's still going to be warm, and the amount of rain we could get out of it, if at all. All right, so overnight 66 degrees with patchy fog likely to develop. Here we go again with no visibility restrictions through about 4 a.m. But by 5:30 or so, we could start to see some pockets of fog. It may be dense for the morning rush, potentially even out into the hill country. There could be a little bit of fog. That clears out. Sunshine builds in. Temperatures warm up. Right now, I'm expecting maybe a degree cooler than today. If the fog lasts a little bit longer, we'll go with a high of 90. The record is 94 degrees. So after tomorrow, then we'll look ahead to getting even closer to records. Friday, the record's 91, and I think we'll be 1 degree shy of that. For tomorrow, 90 in Austin, 90 out toward LaGrange, 90 degrees as well in Llano. Where did the changes come? Well, I mentioned that second front, the one on Saturday. It may shift the winds just toward the northwest hill country, but we're still going to see around 90 degrees. That'll be a record. And as we look toward next week, what about the front that hopefully will bring us some change? It looks good as we head toward early Thursday, Halloween, but then it may stall just to our north, bringing us slightly better chances of rain instead of Halloween for trick-or-treating, which is a good thing. It looks like Friday might be our next best chance of rain. Even that's only a 30% shot. Red boxes mean potential records.